Win. Let's go. Okay, one more. Woo. One more again. Okay, dark color purple fox. Yes, let's do one more. Ooh, it's our bling dragonfly. Candy colors, nice. Okay, next one is our hummingbirds, pink and green. Okay, next one, let's go. Okay, one more phoenix. Wow, it's our SSR. Congratulations, guys. Oh my gosh, very lucky. Let's go, Cindy. Fancy butterfly. Yes, guys, only have our last one. Let's go, Cindy. Oh, last one is blue. Wow, Cindy, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yes, now the last, and it's 3. Oh my gosh, Cindy. Let's go. Yes, very lucky. 什么意思呢？ Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more. Oh, second. Oh my gosh, blue again. Oh my gosh, 3 more again, guys. Cindy, congratulations. Oh my gosh, very super lucky. Let's go, 3 more again. Yes. Okay, let's go. Oh my, so many, so many. Oh my gosh, can't believe that. Okay, it's our dangling eyes, so cute, with a teardrop shape, very beautiful details. How about next one, Sandy? Let's go. Okay, one more. Oh wow, it's our US birds. Okay, next one is our lion. Move to next one, Sandy. Let's go. Okay, it's our beautiful purple fox. Nice. Okay, guys, only have our last one. Let's go to check. How about the last bag? Yes. Okay, last one is our butterfly. That is our Sandy. Oh my gosh, super lucky. 2 blue color. Why SSR? Oh my gosh. So many we got. Congratulations, Cindy. And let's go to move your freebie, honey. Okay. Very good. Yes, good for. Any other friends that have a truck, go to check out our BI website. Okay, thank you so much. Go to move our next one.